Chapter 1. Section 7, Dimensional Analysis. By the end of this section, you will be able to use the units of a measurement as a guide in setting up calculations. Every measurement results in a number and a unit. Reporting the unit is just as important as reporting the number. The units should be stated for every measured quantity and for every quantity calculated from measured data. Always use full spellings or standard abbreviations for all units. Dimensional analysis is a system that involves the use of units to indicate the proper arithmetic operation to perform. Dimensional analysis is also known as unit analysis or the factor label method. In the dimensional analysis, a quantity is multiplied by a conversion factor that is written as a fraction or ratio. The numerator and denominator in the conversion factor are equal or equivalent to one another, so the overall conversion factor is equal to 1. Conversion factor are derived from two measured quantities that are either defined equal or are equivalent or equal in the problem. The table shows commonly used equivalent quantities. A ratio of two equivalent quantities expressed with different measurement units can be used as a conversion factor. For example, the lengths of 1 mile and 1.609 kilometers are equivalent, and so two conversion factors may be derived from these equivalent quantities. The two conversion factors are as shown here, and be sure to include the units when you write the conversion factors. The conversion factor you choose must cancel all units except those you want in the answer. The steps of dimensional analysis. 1. Write down the quantity given, including the units. 2. Multiply by a conversion factor that will yield the desired units. 3. Cancel the units. 4. Multiply all numbers in the numerator and divide by all numbers in the denominator. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. There are 1.6093 kilometers in 1 mile. Set up a conversion factor with 1 mile in the denominator, where mile will cancel, and 1.609 kilometers in the numerator, where the kilometer can be retained. Dimensional analysis is based on this premise: the units of quantities must be subjected to the same mathematical operations as their associated numbers. This method can be applied to computations ranging from simple unit conversions to more complex, multi-step calculations involving several different quantities. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. A conversion factor will sometimes have to be raised to a power for the units in the calculations to cancel out properly. When a ratio in parentheses is raised to a power, all the numbers and all the units within the parentheses must be raised to that power. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page.